Yeah.
And I want to
Oh,
see,
wait,
I want to see the
something flickered.
resource. Whoa.
Setting up a meeting for Facebook Live. Is that what it's supposed to say?
I hope so.
Okay. Come on that way if you can.
Right. Oh, don't move the chair. Oh God, what's going on there?
No, no.
Oh, are we live?
I don't-
Are we live?
How do we know if we're live? Hello, if you're
I think we're live. I think we're live. Oh my goodness. We're alive.
We are
We're
live.
alive. We're live.
Okay, cool. God, let's start then if we're live, because we don't want people
We really
to
should.
be, you don't want to watch
Did
that
you
because you're
click
going
the
to get.
button, Mark?
I
Are
didn't touch anything.
you sure?
I'm totally sure. My hands have been here the whole time.
Somehow it went right. Hello, everyone.
So there
So,
we go.
right, so the camera's over there.
Hello.
So we're going to look odd because we're looking over there.
Well, yeah,
The
we also
camera's
need
over
to
there.
move
And we also need
this
to
a bit further this way without the camera moving, because otherwise you're not going to see my smelly feet and my clean hands.
Okay,
There we go.
right. And they're not covered feet, hands.
No, they've got hand sanitizer on them. We cleaned them all.
We did.
Their feet,
We're not wearing masks.
their feet are super smelly, but the hands are very, very clean and have been
I
sanitized.
bet this one's more smelly.
That is super, super smelly. That's a really Bigfoot look. See,
That's dedicated to Gordon.
that is dedicated to Gordon. Right, I can do magic like Gordon. I can make it get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller.
You're supposed to drop that down.
Yeah, I know. I'm not as good as Gordon.
So
What
yes.
are we doing today?
So we're doing. You
Caroline?
are going to demonstrate. This is Mark. This is Leo's dad.
Ooh, nice to see you.
And
Yesterday we didn't do a very good job at this, did we?
this is Jumping Frogs, and the resources are in the description above. So we've got two things we're doing today. Is what's happening tomorrow. Tony Bearden from AIMSEC has recorded a great video on what we're doing tomorrow, which is all about volume and the difference between the volume in a cone and the volume in a cylinder. So how much do you think a cone of the same diameter and the same height holds versus a cylinder of the same diameter and the same height? So that's to be thinking about that. Both resources are in the description. Download those. Thank you very much to AIMSEC and the Aiming High website. Use them. And we're going to do the jumping frogs because we failed miserably last night, and we perseverance and determination.
We did. We didn't sleep, and and we kept going and kept going, and then we found a really interesting pattern. So
apparently the challenge is to keep the pattern in your head.
Right.
Yes. When I showed Tony that we'd recorded it. Now
to be fair, we have to keep it in our head because the board is right over there. We can't see it.
We don't have the board. The board
So
is not.
we need to
space.
We need to remember. Oh yes, sorry, a small space,
just a single
just big
space.
enough for a hand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
And then the other thing is, okay, so there's lots of activities in that. Everything's got a little bit pear-shaped this week, so we haven't done my usual activities. So go download the resource, follow the activities in the resource. They go all the way from age 4 to 18 plus, whatever age. I'm 58, and I love them. So, and what you got to do with this is work it out and keep the pattern in your head. That's what Tony tells me.
Keep the pattern in
and
your
I'm
head.
going to watch Mark while he does it.
5 stinky feet, 5 sanitized hands. Okay, we are going to first of all move stinky feet to the left. So if you remember from yesterday, you can move them one way. The feet are going this way, the hands are going this way, or you can jump one way, but you can't go backwards. You can't jump backwards, and you can't move backwards.
And you can only jump one. You can only move
one
spot.
Yes, you couldn't jump from here to here. That would be super easy, but you can't do that. Okay. All right. So here's how we're going to do it. Okay. So we're going to move one, jump one. So our jump is 1. Okay. Now there is a little secret. Maybe I did tell the secret in a little bit.
Don't tell them the secret. See if they can work it out.
And then we're going to move 1 and jump 1, 2. Okay. Then we're going to move 1 and jump 1, 2, 3. You see what's happening here? Then we're going to move 1. And how many do you think we're going to jump this time?
My guess would be 4.
4. We're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
Then we're going to move 1 and jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we only got 5, so
Interesting. Wait. Don't tell them. Don't tell them.
what?
This is the time to notice something quite important. And we're not going to tell them what the secret. They're going to work it out.
Which secret?
Well,
About,
you know what we did wrong yesterday?
yes.
What's different between what we did yesterday and what we're doing today? And this right now, right here, right now.
My wife
I'll
would
put the
like.
offer
My wife
out.
would like this.
I like
as
it.
it
It's
is now.
nice.
It's
Symmetrical.
mm,
Got a nice repeating pattern going on.
mm.
Oh, did I say that?
What?
Nothing.
Are we not allowed to say alternating?
Oh, no,
Not
don't
to say-
say
okay.
alternating.
All
Whatever
right.
you do.
All right, so now we are going to, we've just moved this from here to here. And so now we're going to, we did 5. Now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going wrong. We've just already done the sanitized hands. And now we're going to move the stinky feet here. Okay, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did 5, and now we're going back.
Yeah, but don't spell it out too much.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
So what we're going to do is, well, actually we're not. But we're going to do it with Leo and Annabelle, but we're not, because we're going to do it with grown-ups, aren't we?
We're going to do it with grown-ups wearing masks.
Grown-ups wearing masks and keeping separation.
And we're going to dress some in purple t-shirts and some in orange t-shirts.
You're not wearing purple.
I'm not wearing purple today, no. All right, so now we're going to, the feet are going that way, hands are going this way. Going to move our hand across, and then we go 1, 2, 3. So we're in 5,
4, 6.
and blah, blah. Then we're going to move a foot across and go 1, 2, a hand across and go 1, and a foot across. And now stinky feet are on your side where they belong. Sanitized hands on my side, all nice and clean and not at all stinky.
Well, maybe they
and you can have this big stinky feet as well.
Well, I've got a big sanitized hand for you somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So, oh yes, it's here. So, thank you. Oh, my microphone going to make a rustling horrible noise. There you go. In that bag,
a big huge. I mean, they're sanitized. They're in a Ziploc bag, all clean. There's my big sanitized hand.
There you go. So thank you. No, well. Oh, okay. So thank you for joining us, and so that's thanks to AimSec. Use the Aiming High website. All these activities, low threshold, high ceiling. That means there are activities for 4-year-olds in the home learning and the inclusion guide for special people with special needs, different educational needs, and we've also got the YouTube channels. So we've got the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel where these crazy lives go up, so you can watch them again. And if you know people that aren't on Facebook, they can go on the YouTube channel. That's the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel. Subscribe. And then there's the Maths Toys YouTube channel where it's a bit more formal, some nice concise videos to go with every Aiming High. Every video on the YouTube Maths Toys channel has an activity on the Aiming High website and their home learning inclusion activities. And he's having fun. He's coming back. He's giving my sanitized hands back again. I don't think they're very sanitized anymore. They've merged and the stinky feet and everything. Mm-hmm. So thank you for joining. Now let me see if we managed to actually get. I don't know. Oh, we did play it. Oh, JC. Thank you. Apparently, Grandma doesn't have stinky feet. Thank you very much. Thank you, JC. Are they alternating? JC spotted.
I didn't read it out. You did.
I did. Right. So yes, it's in the guide. There's lots and lots of lovely ideas. Tomorrow we're doing volume, and you get to create a cone, which Tony's made the lovely video, and I'm so grateful to her because it's a fantastic idea, and she explains it so much better than I ever would. So we're going to put that up tomorrow, and I'm going to do a little live. Maybe Mark will help me because it makes everything so much fun. So thank you. Oh, another one. Can you explain alternate? No, we're not explaining. It's not about explaining, JC. It's about working it out for yourself.
It's a private
Yes,
joke.
okay. Yeah, this is a joke between the husband and wife. Okay, but we're not. But thank you, because it's not about explaining. If there's any grown-ups watching this, we don't explain. We ask questions, and there's lots of lovely, rich questions in the activity guide for you to prompt you, tell you, teach you, show you good practice on what kind of questions to ask. Nice open questions that engage the curiosity rather than explaining, which kind of closes down the ideas. And I'm just going now. I'm getting funny looks now. We've got, oh, there's Caitlin as well. There's the whole,
the whole family.
The whole family's
whole
there.
family are there.
Nearly whole family.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you. And now I've got to work out how to end the live as usual. Here we go. Now,
Thanks
usually Leo presses the button.
Oh,
Do you
can
want
I
to
press the button?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't say anything.